I'm Clever Wooten and I'm a makeup artist. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a really quick bronzy glow. So I've already prepped her skin, that's why it's got this nice glossy feel. I already gave her a massage and now I'm going to go in and do some lip balm. So now I'm going to go in with some foundation and just cover up any pigmentation, redness, and I'm going to keep it really, really light. And I'm using this smaller brush because it allows me to target those areas and sort of really have a little bit more control. I'm using Illamasqua mixed with a little bit of a deeper yellow tone that I get in the Cover FX range. And just keeping it really, really light so that you're letting the skin show through. And just making sure that it's all blended. I'm going in now with a Delilah correcting stick, concealing stick. It's just a little bit brighter. I'm going to mix it with the original foundation just so it's matching her skin, but it's just going to brighten it up a bit. Again, another cruelty-free brand that is doing really great products. So for the next part, I'm going to do a little bit of contouring. I'm going to use a base, a cream contour, because with this particular look, I like to keep it, again, as minimal as possible and not caking on the powders and that kind of thing. And I like the fact that you can really play with the cream contour and move it around a bit. So with a cooler tone, that's a couple of shades darker than her natural skin tone, I'm just going to press it under her cheekbone and just blend it with my thumb. So again, for this look, we really want to go for a really natural, glossy, glowing, bronzed, healthy look. So I'm going to go in now with the Nudestix, which can be used on the cheek or the lip. It's a really easy pencil to use. I'm going to put some on my finger, warm it up a bit, and then apply it to her cheeks. I like to actually put it on my thumbs, press them together, and just dab like that. And because I haven't used any powders or anything like that, it's just really easy to blend in, press into the skin. So I'm going to go in now and just highlight a few areas before we finish. I'm going to do a little bit more around the eyes and under the brow with a powder from Lily. And it's a loose powder that's just got a little bit of a shimmer to it, and it's just really nice for highlighting those just little areas. And then last but not least, I'm going to take this vegan Zoeva brush and just with an Illamasqua highlighter bronzing powder, I'm just going to do a little bit over the cheeks. This kind of warms the face up a little bit, adds a bit of shine and a bit of color. Gives a really nice glow. And I'm going to put it on take it right from here and just a little bit on the rest of her face as well. Just slightly warms her up and gives that bronzed feel. Just adding a little bit of a gold shimmer here from the Lily palette. Just opening up her eyes and again adding a bit of warmth. And that's the look. Remember, this look is all about letting your skin breathe, showing off your natural features, and making it as natural, healthy, and glowy as possible. So keep those products to a minimum and have fun with it.